Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, from Fabrizio, Chelsea target, Mohammed Kudus want to join Spurs, but not Chelsea. So there are reasons for that. Kudus want to join Spurs. Yes. By the way, let's read the official information from Fabrizio before we come and do the reasons or talk about the reasons why Kudus want to join Spurs. And before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's read from Fabrizio, guys. Understand, Mohammed Kudus is not talking to any other club at this stage. He want Tottenham move. Kudus already said yes to Spurs project, and club-to-club talks with West Ham will continue soon. Clear intention is to join Spurs. Clear intention, underline the word, clear intention is to join Spurs. Yes. So guys, that is the information. And see guys, this is the simplest reason why Kudus want to join Spurs. As we are speaking now, our front line, our wingers, we have NATO currently, and we have Madueke. We are coming to him. Yes, latest information for him. So please watch this video till the end. We have Madueke, we have George. Estavo will be joining. Next season, Quenda will be joining. And maybe Pius. And currently, our new signings. Ja Pedro is there. Jamie Gittins is there. So that means that a lot of players in our front line. A lot of numbers, squad depth in our attack area, the wing position. So it means that next season as a winger playing for Chelsea, you can't say that I am the preferable one. You can't say that, okay, Gittins, or I am Ja Pedro, or I am Madueke, or I am Neto. So for that matter, I guarantee playing time. For me, I will be starting every game for Chelsea. No player can boldly say that currently as we are speaking. Because information even said that Chelsea is assembling all these wingers to come and compete. No one is number one player or first team player, or no one is Conference League player and someone is Premier League player as Enzo Maresca did this season. No. They are coming to compete, guys. So as a winger in Chelsea currently, that means that you must play. You must show that performance in order to get a spot, in order to get playing time, in order to be starting matches for Chelsea. As a winger currently in Chelsea, you must show everything during training, during football game, during the last minutes you have been given. Show that you deserve to be starting. Show that you can play for Chelsea Football Club. So as we are speaking, no guarantee playing time for any player. So guys, now Mohammed Kudus coming to add to these players. That means Kudus must also follow that channel, face that process. He must play, show the performance before he can start. Kudus will not come to Chelsea as a guaranteed starter. Or Kudus will not come to Chelsea to bench any of the player. He is rather coming to compete. So it may happen that because of the competition in Chelsea, currently at the wing positions, that is why Kudus don't want to join Chelsea. And not because Spurs is to sign Kudus over Chelsea, or Kudus is about to choose Spurs over Chelsea. Because of the competition, guys, I'm telling you. Because as I said, Kudus is not coming as a guaranteed starter or to be having that playing time in Chelsea. When Kudus joins Chelsea, he is coming to compete. He is coming to show something before he can get the first starting 11. So guys, this is the reason why Kudus coming to Chelsea is unlikely. I'm telling you, because of competition. Because of competition. And for me, I don't know what Kudus fear here, because Kudus is a good player, talented player. Yes, good on the ball. Yes, having that clinical aspect of him. So even Kudus coming to Chelsea, for me, I think he can withstand the competition. I said it already that apart from Cole Palmer and Neto, I can even compare Kudus to our current wingers. And maybe Ja Pedro now showing it. Yes, apart from these players, like Kudus is up there. So Kudus coming to Chelsea with all this competition, for me, I believe when he can compete and even win a spot. Yes, be a guaranteed starter. Yes, getting the playing time. So like, I don't know why Kudus is running. Kudus, why are you running? Come to Chelsea. Come and prove it. Yes, that differentiate average players and best players. For average players, maybe they don't want that competition. But good players as you, Mohammed Kudus, why are you running? Why are you running? Come to Chelsea and prove it. Come to Chelsea and win trophy. Come to Chelsea and have a better CV. You going to Spurs, what are you going to achieve there? What are you going to achieve there? Yes, you may have the guaranteed playing time, but it's not enough. There is a reason why Harry Kane move away from this Spurs team. We know. There is a reason why Madrid move away from this Spurs team to Real Madrid. Now he is a Ballon d'Or winner, ever Ballon d'Or winner. Now he is a legend. So why are you going to Spurs? Why are you going to Spurs, Kudus? Come to Chelsea and be a legend. Come to Chelsea and be like Michael Essien. Mohammed Kudus. Come to Chelsea and have your name on top of Stamford Bridge one day. Mohammed Kudus, legend. Mohammed Kudus, legend. See, nothing good comes easy. That is the law. That is the law of nature. If you want something good, you must hustle, you must suffer. So Kudus, yes, if you go to Spurs, you can Ben Johnson. Yes, Maddison is no more the Maddison we used to know. Injuries all over. The same as Son, injuries all over. If you go to Spurs, you are getting the playing time. But at the end of your footballing career, you will not have anything to show. You will not have any legacy to show. But when you come to Chelsea, yes, you are going to face the competition. But for me, as I said, I think even if Kudus come, guys, he can win that competition in Chelsea. Kudus is winning the competition all day because we all know who is Kudus. And we know that even when Kudus come, he is bringing that strength more strong to our attack. The guy is good. Imagine having Mohammed Kudus and Cole Palmer in the same field, on the same pitch, wearing Chelsea shirt, wearing Chelsea badge. Who is stopping Chelsea attack? Who is stopping Chelsea attack? Someone should tell me under the comment section. Who is stopping Chelsea? Nobody. So guys, this is the reason why Kudus is choosing Spurs, but not Chelsea, because of the competition in Chelsea. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Kudus signing. Should Kudus come regardless of the competition, or do you think we can still go into the market and bring someone like Kudus? Because yes, Chelsea will still sign a winger. I'm telling you, Chelsea will still bring one or two attackers. And as we are speaking, Rogers from Aston Villa name is there, Eketeke name is there, Garnacho name is there, and Malik Fofana name is there. Yes, these are the possible wingers Chelsea may bring, and Kudus. So let's see. But I'm going to give you this script, guys. I'm hearing something, and I want to believe it, and I know you also believe it, that Chelsea is waiting for Spurs to do everything they can do, so that Chelsea will go and hijack the deal. That Chelsea will go and hijack the deal. And see, Chelsea going to sign Kudus. If Chelsea go onto the table, present the right fee to West Ham, Kudus choosing Spurs and Chelsea. This is not a debate, or this will not be a debate or an end man for Kudus. No. One come to choosing Chelsea and Spurs all day. Kudus is choosing Chelsea. So let's hope the rumors I'm hearing, let's hope it really become true, so that we can go and hijack the deal. Because Chelsea issue was the fee. Chelsea wanted to wait and see if Spurs can go and do the negotiation, so that everything will show. They can see that if they can pay, they will go and pay, and even the wages of Kudus to see. So let's hope what we are hearing really become true. Chelsea go and hijack the deal, guys. Yes. So let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea sign Kudus, or should Chelsea find any other option? And let's come to Madueke. The Madueke every Chelsea fan cherish and love. Yes, the Madueke, the dribbler. Guys, information came that Madueke said yes to Atete project, and Madueke agreed personal terms to join Arsenal. So now it led with club-to-club talks between Chelsea and Arsenal. And information came that yes, that talks will happen next week, or when this Club World Cup ends. Yes, so that Madueke will have the free man, because he's part of the squad currently. So the talks will happen. Yes, after the Club World Cup end, and that will be good. Yes, it shouldn't bring a distraction in our squad. Yes, and also guys, information came that Chelsea want 50 million, but Arsenal is willing to present 40 million. So let's see. Because see, Arsenal must bring the 50 million. No way. Madueke is that player. Arsenal, Madueke is coming to show you the way. Yes, because he won European trophy in Chelsea Conference League. Yes. So, and Arsenal, you don't have any European trophy. Yes, especially modern world or modern football. So, bring 50 million for Madueke, because he is coming to show Saka, he is coming to show Saliba, he is coming to show Gebra how to win European trophies. So, why are you stingy? Why are you running, Arsenal? bring the 50 million. So guys, that is information for Madueke also. Yes, personal terms, he agree, project, he agree. Now the club to club talks will start soon. Yes, after the Club World Cup, or even they can start it now. If any information come about Madueke, I will update you again. And Chukwuemeka latest, Dortmund want to sign him permanent. Yes, and as we all know, these German teams and Italian teams, they don't like paying. But when they are selling their player to you, Charlie, look at the months we use and sign their player, Gittins. Now, instead of them to come straight, bring the 40 million for Chukwuemeka. Yes, they are having thoughts that it will not be easy, it will be what and what. See, Dortmund, bring that 40 million, simple, and take Chukwuemeka. And you are even lucky, he is doing well there. The Club World Cup, and yes, he caused a penalty. Yes, the one that Gracia scored. Yes, he dribbled into the ball. Oh, he gave the pass. The guy is doing well at Dortmund. So no way. Dortmund bring the 40 million. So guys, that is the latest for Chukwuemeka also. Dortmund now want to sign him permanent. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Yes, about all this signings, this transfer we'll talk about in this video. And also, my preview will be coming. Chelsea full minutes. Thiago Silva full minutes. Yes, and Cole Palmer Chelsea or Enzo Maresca Chelsea. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.